Good day, my name is Alexander Rodriguez. My group is number 21203223. Today is April 29. Today is very important that companies make negotiation of technology because technology is something that have taken on important bound around the world to solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia is very important to make agreements relate to technology, the technology. My facility the in place work and increase the quality of the company's products. Besides, it helps to education employers regarding to the new digital age. This may help Colombia with the economy and might help making more negotiation around the world which help to improve the industrial and economy in the country. Technology is very important for boosting employees in all over the world. Thank you.